Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to download, install, and set up KidVPN, a free and reliable app available on the Google Play Store. This app can help you enjoy a stable and private connection while browsing online. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions, so you don't miss out on future tech tutorials. Step 1, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type KidVPN. You'll see several results. Make sure to select the correct one with the KidVPN icon shown on the screen. Once you find it, tap on it, and then press Install to download it to your device. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Step 2. When the app opens for the first time, you may see the home screen of KidVPN. To make sure everything runs smoothly, tap on the Update button, usually found at the bottom. This will refresh the app's resources and ensure you get the latest configuration for a better experience. Step 3. Next, you'll need to select a server that works best for your location. Tap on the server box and from the list shown, choose one that gives you a stable connection. For demonstration purposes, I'll choose one of the available servers here, but you can test and see which one works best for you. Step 4. Now, tap on the network name box and look for your country in the list. In this example, I'll select Morocco, but you should select your own country's network for the best results. Step 5. If your session time ever runs out, you can easily extend it by tapping on the Add Time button. This helps you continue using the app without interruptions. Step 6. Once you've selected your server and network, tap on the Start button to connect. After a few moments, you'll see the Connected status, meaning the VPN is now active, and that's it. That's how you set up and use KidVPN for a safe and private browsing experience on your Android device. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech videos, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.